So friends, this is my online network blue sketch, and in this my series network related complete courses here in my channel. So last my previous video very important for you, ring topology, and I'm already created a lot of videos already network related. What is a network? Network history of your computer system. Why use network connection? And simple. I'm already show you network diagram, network topology, how many type of topology, and using topology. What is a topology first? And the point to point topology. I'm already created advantage of point to point and disadvantage. Point to multi point topology I'm already show you in my last some previous video, very important for you. Watch. Bus topology. What is a bus topology and how using bus topology? Okay, and advantage and disadvantage of bus topology. Ring topology. Last my previous video I'm already created on this topic, ring topology. What is a ring topology and how using this ring topology? Okay, so today I must start this advantage related of ring topology discuss in this system. So first understand about what is a ring topology, why using ring topology. So old generation time, some computer how connect and how using. So this is a different type way ring topology using, but this generation time using only star topology and hybrid topology. And you can see here this is my network series network course videos in playlist. Okay, so let's start ring topology advantage and disadvantage. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So why this type online interest discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on
So
it and
this is
you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see if you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one, time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operation 7, 8, 9, Windows 10.
so friends, this
Every
is a
your operating system you can control using it. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit? What is a 32-bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I'm
this is my online
upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button, and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So you can see here advantage means your benefit your ring topology. So first, very orderly network where every device has access to the block token and the opportunity to transmit. So this is orderly very, and every device is connected between one to another. Okay, and the opportunity of transmit your data, because this is a computer 1, computer 2, computer 3, computer 4, computer 5, computer 6. and computer is connect to one. Okay, so this is one computer connect to second, second to third. So this is a one type of ring wire. Okay, so minimum one computer in RJ45, two port, okay, and two cable connecting in a ring topology. You can see here performs better than bus topology under heavy network load. You can see here perform better than my. I'm already told you about the bus topology related my last previous video, very important for you. I thought you cannot understand this video. So watch my every video part wise. So in this video I'm showing a bus topology already. uh, okay, so what is a bus topology? Okay, this is a bus topology. You can see here in one cable connect to every connection with your computer, but ring topology different type of connection in your computer. So this is a heavy under network load. Okay, and perform better than bus topology under heavy network load. Okay, so third is a does not require the central node to manage the connectivity between the computers. Okay, so not required the center node means center wire not need. Okay, and manage connectivity between the computers. Okay, so you are send your data on these computers. So you send data, so going to ring wise. Okay, and going to ring wise and meet this. Okay, so this is a good of due to the point to point line configuration of device with a device on either side. Each device is connected to its multiple neighbor. Okay, so your point to point line connect configuration. Okay, first computer connect to second computer connect to third computer, and 4, 5, 6. Okay, and configuration with devices either side. It is required easily install and reconfigure since adding and or removing your devices require moving just two connection. Okay, so just example I give you. I want to change this. Okay, I want to remove this computer. So disconnect the two cable in my RJ45 cable and one cable connect in this cable side. So automatically remove this, very easily remove, and you want another computer connect, so you can connect from here. Okay, so this is one type of two connection minimum and port here. Okay, 5 is point to point line configure makes it easily off to identify and isolate faults. Okay, so this ring topology is sometime your computer this not working, so you can easily find this computer not in network. In this reason very easily to identify and find to fault because this computer connect this send data here. Okay, so this line complete, but this area side something problem, wire problem, port problem, so you finding easily. Okay, 6 is a reconfigure for line fault of bidirection ring can be very easy. Okay, reconfiguration lines mean you configure again and line faults. This is a line fault. Okay, and bidirection ring can very fast, very direction very fast. Switching happen as high level, and this traffic does not require individual routing. Okay, so this main point is a very fast work in switching happen to high level. You are send this data computer to here, so directly going to computer this, and after ring through coming this side. Okay, so routing type. Okay, disadvantage means you sometime problem and sometime this ring topology. What is the main problem? One multifunction workstation can create problem for the entire network. Okay, so sometime one computer maybe stop, power off, power of your computer, stop your computer. So your data not going forward side. Okay, I want to send this computer from this data send here, but this first number computer power off, so my data going only this computer through, but not going this side area. Why not go here? Why not this area not send? Because this is a send data and the second data send, and this computer power off, so not going okay other side, because this line power of this computer, and this main problem. Okay, this can be solved by using a dual ring or switch that closed off break. Okay, so you can solve using a dual ring or switching, and you can break. Okay, so this is a one type of important. Moving and adding changing device can affect the network. Important. So you are enter your configure your computer, and you enter your IP address. What is the IP address? I will show you in this course. Okay, but understand about this computer send data to this computer. So I'm moving this computer anytime, and program my wire. Okay, this my wire. So only this area side going data, but not going forward side. Okay, why? Because this area side line connectivity not complete. Okay, communication delay is directly proportional to number of nodes in the network. So what is the main communication? Why communication delay? So sometime your computer very work low type, and this computer send data to this computer. So this computer going from data here, and I'm this already going to here. So this computer very low take maybe sometime very slow. So take delay and send forward side other side. So number of node of network very different type of delay. Bandwidth is shared on all links between devices. Bandwidth share. Why bandwidth means speed share all links device. Your 1 Mbps speed, and after going to 1 Mbps to down and down means very slowly links share. Okay, so this reason is bandwidth share. Okay, more difficult configuration than star. Okay, node exhaustion equal to ring shutdown and reconfiguration. So maybe you are any computer not working, either you are remove your your cable, your maybe problem your cut your wires, RJ45 cable. So every network shutdown. Okay, shutdown means all of network stop, and you want again start, so complete again every computer going to and configure here. So this is a disadvantage of ring topology. So ring topology is better than bus topology, but not more powerful and not very useful for ring topology. Next, I will show you mesh topology. What is a mesh topology, and why using a mesh topology, and what is a mesh topology in this technology using a network system. So mesh topology inside how connect your computer network. Okay, so this is a mesh topology. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on subscribe button, click on like button, and click on bell icon when I'm upload new video. So go so YouTube send notification. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day. I will show you next subject, next mesh topology related video. So continue from this subject. So thank you, have a nice day.